In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Salesforce. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and visually manage your tasks, the Kanban view in Salesforce is an excellent tool to help you organize work items effectively. Let's dive into the process from beginning to end. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the app launcher. It's usually found in the upper left hand corner, represented by a grid of dots. This is your key to accessing the various apps available within Salesforce. With the app launcher open, the next step is to select the object you want to work with. Whether it's opportunities, leads, or any other entity your organization focuses on, click on it and pick a list view that is relevant for your needs. Each list view is essentially a compilation of records filtered according to specific criteria. This is where you'll be able to switch from a traditional list layout to the more visually engaging Kanban layout. Now keep an eye out for the Select List Display dropdown. Typically you can find this in the upper right hand corner of your screen. This dropdown allows you to switch between different views. From here, select Kanban to transform your standard list view into a dynamic Kanban board. With the Kanban board displayed, you'll notice it organizes your data into columns. Each column corresponds to various stages or groups relevant to your process. For instance, if you're viewing opportunities, columns might represent different stages of your sales funnel, such as prospecting, qualification, or closed. This setup allows you to see at a glance where each item falls within your process pipeline. One of the powerful features of Kanban is its drag and drop functionality. You can easily click and drag cards which represent individual records from one column to another. This action updates the stage or group that each record belongs to, facilitating easier tracking and management of workflow progress. Moreover, the flexibility of the Kanban view allows you to edit records directly. Simply click on a card to access its details, or use the details panel to make necessary updates. This feature is especially useful for making quick edits without losing your place or switching contexts, enhancing efficiency and productivity. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating and utilizing the Kanban view in Salesforce. Embrace this tool to improve your organizational processes and gain clearer insights into your workflow management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps optimize your use of Salesforce.